Welcome to the behind the scenes of filming Max Verstappen with a racing drone. On this first lap, I use it to learn the track as well as get used to the G-forces of being in the car. The braking is brutal, so we're thankful for seatbelts. Here I get the bright idea of getting a feel with the goggles on, but I'm not plugged into anything, so I'm just seeing pitch black, and it's like going around with a blindfold and I start to feel a bit sick. I asked Phil to call out the turns ahead so I can predict what's coming while I'm flying.
Call out, between braking and yeah.
I've now armed the drone so we can set the right speed the F1 car should go out at. Boom!
Okay, cool, yeah.